I'll be showing you step by step here how to add a free shipping bar with the amount calculation to your Shopify store. So this free shipping bar will have something like free shipping over $50, and as the customer adds items to their cart, that amount is going to be reduced by the value of the cart size. This is going to happen until it says you have now unlocked free shipping. We'll also be using a completely free app, and make sure you stay until the end of the video here as I'll guide you through the entire process. So to start, you should navigate to the Shopify App Store. You can just Google Shopify App Store and this will bring you to this exact page here. Now in the search bar, you just want to search for free shipping. And we're looking for a specific app, and this should be one of the top options, and it's called Hextom Free Shipping Bar. So for me, it's showing up in the top center here. It might be showing up for you in a different location, but just look for this title and this logo. This is an extremely popular app. It has over 11,000 reviews. And if we scroll down, we can see there is a completely free plan here with a fully customizable banner. So if I scroll back to the top, you next want to click on the install button, and this will bring us to the installation sequence. So if you're comfortable with the permissions on the installation page, you can just click install app, and this will bring us to the setup section of the app. So we're now in the setup section, and there should be a banner somewhere on the page, and it should have a button that says create new bar. I'm going to click create new bar here. This will bring me to the templates. So there is a premium plan where you get more templates, but on the basic template plan, we get quite a few ones that we can use. Now it's going to depend on how your Shopify store looks, what colors it's using, and if you're going for a specific promotion. I'm going to go with the shades of gray as I like that color scheme. And it's just going to say free shipping for orders over $100. And it's going to update as the customer adds items to their cart. In terms of the setup, we can set the content configuration. It's going to give you a default name. This is for internal reference only, and only you can see it. I'll just add a number 1 here just to identify it more that this was my first shipping bar. Next, we get to set a free shipping goal. So do you have free shipping at $50 and over, or is it $150 and over? It's really just going to depend on your store setup. For example, I'm just going to put on orders $50 and over here, it's going to trigger these settings. So for the initial message, I'll just leave this at the default. So display when the cart is empty, and that is free shipping for orders over $50. Next, we can set the progress message. So only X amount of dollars away from free shipping. And then when it is achieved, we have our goal message, and it's congratulations, you've got free shipping. We get a few additional settings. We can set whether to add a link to the bar. So if a customer clicks the shipping bar, it can maybe bring them to your shipping policy. I'm going to leave this as off here. We can also include a close button. I'm going to leave this as no here as I want this to be displayed at all times for my customers. We now can select a display position. So this is going to depend on the bar behavior when you're scrolling. So you want it to push down with the rest of the page. You can have it always visible. You can have it overlapping the top of the page. I'm just going to leave this as the default setting to top bar pushes down the rest of the page. And that's just going to depend on what exactly you're looking for. There's also currency configuration. I'm just going to leave this as the default Canadian dollars and the currency symbol as the money symbol for Canadian dollars. Lastly, we get some style configuration. So there is pre-built themes, but we can add full customization here. Maybe instead of this gray, I want my text color to be fully white, and I could go for a darker background color. You can just click on the colors here and just drag around to find exactly what you're looking for. We can also customize the font. You should just do so to match your Shopify store theme. I'm just going to leave this here as we get web safe fonts, and you also get Google fonts, and it's just going to depend here on what you're looking for. I'm going to leave the default font size, bar padding, and I'm not going to touch any of these settings. Lastly, we get targeting configuration. So do we want this only to display on specific pages? Do we want it to be excluded from any pages? Or do we want it maybe to say to be only on desktops and not mobile? We could also do the reverse. I'm not going to touch any of these as I want it to display for all my customers on all devices. So scrolling down even more here, there is a purple save button at the bottom. So if I click that there, that's going to finalize all my free shipping bar settings. I'm going to click OK here, and let's go and preview this to make sure everything looks okay. So on the left-hand side menu, I'm going to hover over the eye icon, and it's the view your online store. So clicking on this here will open up my store, and I can see it's all been pushed down, and I have congratulations, you've got free shipping. Now, if I go to the cart here, I've added a few items, and let's go and remove both of these here, and it it has gone and updated my shipping bar to say free shipping for orders over $50. So let's go and add one item to the cart here, less than $50. I'm going to go to this glue repair gun here, click on it, add it to the cart. It looks like there's an actual error with my Shopify store that looks to be unrelated. So I've just added a different item here for $24.95, but I can see the free shipping bar has been updated, reducing the amount that needs to be hit to have free shipping for your store. And that's it there. Everything has now been set up. Before I go, I want to mention our sponsor, Profit Calc. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store, so you can skip those spreadsheets and get one-click calculations. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, profit metrics, and analytics. It syncs seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok. And it's going to give you a ton of different analytics and metrics so you can start making smarter business decisions with your store. You can find it in the Shopify App Store, just looking for this logo in the top left here, Profit Calc. There's also a link in the description below where you can get access to a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. So this concludes the video on how to add a free shipping bar with the amount calculation. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.